check out my steering wheel controls and check out the screen. And as you can see, you're now able to switch between the songs on Spotify. And this is really cool, I think. Hey everybody, and welcome back to Not That Kind of a Channel. My name is Peter, and in today's video, I will test this Carpuride mobile Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on our Land Rover Discovery 4. The cool thing about this one is you can use it in every car, so you don't need to dismantle the whole interior. You can easily put it on your dashboard or on your windscreen and then connect it with your phone, and yeah, that's it. So because we have already an Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in our Land Rover Discovery 4, you will be able to win this one. So this is a free giveaway for you. The only thing you have to do is follow me on Instagram or comment here in the video below why you want this one in your car. And then, yeah, you have the chance to win this. So the next step is we will go to the trunk and then I will unbox this one and see what's in the package. So let's check out the box and let's see what's inside. I have to say this is a 10-inch screen, so it's an IPS panel. Okay, what else is in the box? So, this one is for your windscreen. Then here we have a power cable. Oh, there's also an aux cable in it. Let's check it out. Okay. Yeah, there's a USB-C power cable. Then I think this is for the connection for your car, if you have an aux input. I don't know what this is. And, okay, this one is for your dashboard. And you have a manual over here. Oh, it's in here. Okay, this is a quick start manual and the regular manual. So then let's unbox the screen. Let's have a look at the screen. Wow, okay, this one looks really big. There's a microphone, I see. Okay, there's also a speaker on the back, so, and then the connections. There's a microphone in, there's a micro SD card in. Oh, you can also add a retrofit reversing camera. There's an audio out, USB for your USB stick if you have MP3 files or something like that. And here's the USB-C power connection. And what also we have on the back here is there is a brightness sensor, so it automatically sets the brightness from the environment. So this is also cool. I think we will take our stuff and we will connect it to the car. Yeah, let's go and do this. So we're now in the car, and now we will connect our Carpuride system to our car here and turn the ignition on and see what happens. Oh, cool. It starts up automatically. That's cool. And it boots really fast. That's cool. Okay, so what we have here? We have here, I think this is the normal menu. It's the home screen or the home button. Okay, small thank you. I think the volume control is for the speaker on the back here. Then we have our brightness settings. This one, I'll try to show it. Let's get in here. So as you can see, it gets up automatically, but we'll now disconnect this one. So we have the full brightness. Then, okay, what we have here, what's this for? Oh, okay, cool. This one is for the background. Cool. I don't know if you can set up your own background, but yeah. This one I think is for the CarPlay. Yes, this is the wireless CarPlay connection. Then I think this is Android Auto. Let's check in. Okay, it's the same one. Then AirPlay. Oh, okay. Then we have AutoLink. Okay, this is for wired iPhone screen mirroring, and I think also Android Auto. EQ settings, okay. You can adjust your audio quality or your audio settings. Standard, classic, what's in here? Rock, jazz, electric, pop. Okay, soft, and yeah, the custom mode. You can also turn on loudness. Then our Bluetooth settings. Okay, you can set up if the system is discoverable. You can see here, this is the Bluetooth name. Then you can, what's the discovering list? Okay. Then you can, I think this is for the phone, so you can auto answer your phone calls. Then go back. Then we have USB and card connections. If you have MP3 files on a USB stick or on your card or whatever, you can get into this one with those two menu points. And then we have the coolest thing, I think, and this is why this one, I think it's in some cases better than the other one, which we have installed here, is because you have an FM transmitter, and the FM transmitter is for cars. They don't have any modern connections like Bluetooth, like wireless or something like that. In our Fiat, we don't have any of these connections. So there you have your standard radio, your FM radio, and a CD player, and that's it. And with this FM transmitter, you were able to play music over your radio, which means you choose a free frequency and then you would play Spotify or iTunes music or whatever over your radio, and you can hear the music over this one. So I think this is really cool. Okay, then go back home. And what else do we have? Okay, and here we have settings. So this is the settings for the Carpuride system. English is our language at the moment. Time settings, I think they will, can use, you can choose between 12 or 24 hours. Then what else do we have here? The device speaker. This is the one on the back. Then you have the driving side. In our case, it's left side. But if you're in Australia or England or, then you can choose the right side. Then we have the menu point for restarting the system here. And here's the software version. So what's that? Oh, okay, yeah. I read this before. This one is important. If you want to mirror your phone on this system, you have to choose the mirroring function in here. But this means if you choose this one, you can only choose CarPlay or the mirroring function. And you can't use both at the same time, which is, that's not so good, but it's okay. Then we have the wireless settings. You can set up the Wi-Fi here. And and this is for if you don't have a rear camera, you can connect the rear camera to the system, and you can do some setups here like the park line. And let's go in here. Now let's go back. So, okay. The next step we will do is we will connect our iPhone to the system, and then I will show you a small hack, which also works with the other CarPlay system, which I have installed here. So now we will connect our CarPlay system with our iPhone here. Oh, okay. I already get into system settings and it says, hey, let's connect. We don't. This is the W103, and we also want to use CarPlay. And look here, it also say you want to start CarPlay. Yes, we will. And boom, we are in our system. So this is how easy it is to connect it with Bluetooth and the iPhone, as you can see here. And now we have here our CarPlay system, which you maybe know from other cars. Let's check out how responsible the screen is. I think it's really fast here. So let's go into the settings. It's also cool. And go back. Then let's set up, let's say Google Maps. What happens with Google Maps? I think we don't have an internet connection at the moment. Looks like this. Let's take this one. Okay. Let's say we will go from here to here. Okay, start. So I think we can also zoom in. No, that's not possible here. Maybe it's possible at the Apple cards or here. So let's zoom in here. No, it's also not possible, but we can. 3D. Okay. Cool. Okay. What else do we have here? Our regular settings. As we said, we got our phone. We got our maps here. And now we will check out if this one works. Let's go in here. Let's check this one. And I don't know if we have turned on the speakers on the back, so let's go back to the screen. I will show you the sound of the speaker on the back. I don't think. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, but I won't use it while driving. So I don't think this is loud enough when you drive. So now I will show you the coolest hack, how you can use your steering wheel controllers to switch songs and to make the system louder or not, even with this one here. And the hack is you have to connect your Android phone or your iPhone with the Land Rover car system via Bluetooth and with the Carpuride system at the same time. And then sometimes you have to switch off here the sound system and switch it on again, and then it will play. But now let's try this one and see what happens. Let's go into our Spotify. Let's take a song. So when you hear nothing, that's not, then you have to pause this. So as you saw before, I only pressed this one once or twice and then it works. And now check out my steering wheel controls and check out the screen. And as you can see, you're now able to switch between the songs on Spotify. And this is really cool, I think, because you want to use your controls and you can do it louder and yeah. And if you do the louder thing, you will see this on the normal screen. Oh, okay. My system said the battery is low. So I think we're done with this one over here. So what do I think about this system? I think it's really cool because it's mobile, which means you can switch it easily between cars. And yeah, you can connect nearly everything, and you can connect it also on really old cars, which only have a radio in it with your FM transmitter. And what else I have to say is it's really cool because it's booting up fast and the screen is really fast. So it's not like the old screen in here, like the old Discovery screen where you have to push your finger hard on the display and then swipe. So it's like on your phone. You can use it easily and it's really cool and fast. Okay, what else I have to say is I think it's a really good value for the price, because here in Europe, even with the shipping included, it will cost you about 250 euros. And I think in the USA, it's $280 or something like that. So I have to thank Carpuride for sponsoring this video. Thanks for giving me the option to test this one. And because I already got an Apple CarPlay system here in our car, I would give this away so you can win this. And I will tell you on the 30th of June who will get this system. So the only thing you have to do is just follow me on Instagram or here or whatever you find my channel. And please tell me in my comments on this video why you want to have the system and in which car you want to use the system. I would say this is it from my side. I hope you liked the video, and if you do so, just give me thumbs. And if you want to see more from that kind of content, it would be really great if you subscribe. And what I forgot to say is you find the product link for this one down in the description, and there's also a discount for this of 15%. So guys, I wish you all the best. I wish you luck to win the system. And yeah, see you then and have a nice day. Bye.